Welcome back MH Car Review, the channel where we go beyond the brochure and give you the full, honest breakdown on the most extraordinary vehicles on the planet. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about something that is not just a vehicle. It is a statement. It is a moving palace. It is the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach, and if you have ever wondered what the absolute peak of motorhome luxury looks like, you are in exactly the right place. Stay with me, because every single section of this review is going to blow your mind. Let us start outside, because first impressions with the Liberty Coach are absolutely unforgettable. The moment you lay eyes on this machine, you immediately understand that this is not your average motorhome. Built on the legendary Prevost H3-45 shell, one of the strongest and most aerodynamically refined coach platforms ever engineered, the 2026 Liberty Coach stretches a commanding 45 feet in length. The exterior is finished in a deep, mirror-polished two-tone paint, silver and white, with razor-thin chrome accent lines that run the full length of the body. The LED lighting package is factory installed and wraps around the front fascia, the rear bumper, and even underneath the coach for a ground glow effect that looks absolutely stunning at night. The panoramic coach windows are tinted, frameless on the inside, and stretch across almost the entire passenger side, giving the coach that clean, architectural look. You have a fully automated entry system, a wide, LED-lit staircase that deploys with a single button press, inviting you into another world. Underneath, the coach rides on a tag-axle rear suspension system with 4 rear wheels and 2 independent steering axles, giving it the turning radius and ride quality of a vehicle half its size. The 22.5-inch polished chrome wheels are wrapped in low-profile Michelin X1 tires, and they look absolutely massive and premium from every angle. Now let us go inside, and this is honestly where words start to struggle. The moment you step through that coach door and climb those illuminated steps, you walk straight into what I can only describe as a 5-star hotel suite on wheels. The floor plan of the 2026 Liberty Coach is entirely custom. Every single coach is bespoke, designed and hand-built to the exact specification of its owner, but the base specification alone is extraordinary. The flooring is wide plank solid hardwood laid in a herringbone pattern throughout the main living area. The ceiling is coffered with recessed LED mood lighting that can shift from warm white to full RGB color at the touch of a screen. The main living room features a full slide-out room, which when extended adds nearly 4 feet of additional width and creates a space that genuinely feels like a living room in a luxury apartment. There is a full-size L-shaped leather sofa, custom upholstered in hand-stitched Italian Napa leather, and a 75-inch OLED 4K television that descends on a motorized lift from a custom walnut cabinet. The kitchen is a full working kitchen with a Sub-Zero refrigerator and freezer, a Wolf 6-burner gas range, quartz countertops, a farmhouse undermount sink with a brushed gold faucet, and custom hand-painted cabinetry. Moving toward the rear, you find the master suite, separated from the main living area by a sliding barn-style door with a frosted glass panel. Inside is a king-size bed, a real king-size bed with a custom upholstered headboard, hotel-grade linen, and built-in wardrobes with mirrored doors on both sides. Beside the bedroom is the full en-suite bathroom with a frameless walk-in rain shower, a freestanding vanity with a vessel sink, heated flooring, and a backlit mirror. Every single fixture in this coach is from premium brands Grow Heat, Kohler, and Waterworks, and every surface has been chosen for both beauty and durability. Now let us talk about what is under the hood and how this coach actually drives. The 2026 Liberty Coach is powered by a Detroit diesel DD13 turbocharged engine producing 505 horsepower and a massive 1,850 pound-feet of torque. That power is mated to an Allison B500 or 6-speed automatic transmission with adaptive shift logic, meaning the coach reads the terrain and road conditions and shifts accordingly for maximum smoothness and efficiency. The air ride suspension system is fully automatic, self-leveling, and adjustable from the driver's seat. On the road, this coach drives with a composure that is almost shocking for a vehicle of this size. The chassis is incredibly stiff, the body barely moves over uneven surfaces, and the cabin noise levels are remarkably low thanks to the multi-layer acoustic insulation that is built into every wall, floor, and ceiling panel. The Liberty Coach is also equipped with a full suite of active safety systems, including adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, a 360-degree camera system, and front and rear radar proximity sensors. Range on a full tank of diesel. This coach carries 150 gallons, is approximately 900 miles, and the onboard generator is a Cummins Onan 10,000 watt diesel unit that can power every single system in the coach simultaneously for extended off-grid stays. And now the question everyone is waiting for: what does this masterpiece actually cost? The 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach starts at $2.5 million for the base specification. However, when you factor in the custom paint, custom interior finishes, technology packages, and any structural modifications the owner requests, the final price of a fully optioned Liberty Coach routinely lands between $2.8 and $3.2 million. That is a lot of money, there is absolutely no question about that, but when you understand the level of hand craftsmanship, the quality of materials, the engineering behind the chassis, and the sheer exclusivity of what you are getting, it becomes a number that makes more sense. These coaches are purchased by touring musicians, professional athletes, Fortune 500 executives, and film production companies who need the absolute best and are simply not willing to compromise on anything. Prevost builds fewer than 500 coach bodies per year, and Liberty is one of only a handful of premium conversion companies licensed to work with those shells, making each finished Liberty Coach genuinely rare. So that is the full picture of the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach. Exterior design that commands attention and turns heads on every road. An interior that rivals the finest hotel suites in the world. Performance from a powertrain that is as reliable as it is capable. And a price that reflects everything it takes to build something truly without compromise. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe to MH Car Review for more content like this every week, and drop a comment below telling me if you could have one option or feature on your dream Liberty Coach, what would it be? Until next time, this has been MH Car Review. Drive in style, live in luxury. We will see you on the next one.